Hey, it's Lonnie, and we're in the shed. And guess what I have behind me right now? These came in today. This is fun. The next batch of mugs came in. There's a bunch of them this time too. I was overwhelmed by the demand for them last time, and I felt bad that I didn't make more available on that first run. So I went big this time, with a little bit of risk of getting stuck with some mugs, but I went ahead and took the risk because I wanted to make sure that everyone that wanted one was able to get one this time. So this is the mug right here. Check it out. It's very green. Hopefully the color, I think the color is fairly accurate on the GoPro here. I'm looking at the viewfinder. Maybe a little brighter than it is in real life, but it's pretty close. We've got the Garage Flips logo on the front, and then plus shipping on top is on the back. So very excited to roll these out. This is a lot of fun, and we're able to generate a lot of money for the American Cancer Society by doing this, which is awesome. So we do that once a year. The response so far has been incredible. The first run of mugs generated a lot of money for that fundraising effort, and there were a ton of people that donated a lot of money just directly to the site. So the mugs should be available by the time this video goes up. If not, it will be shortly thereafter. There's a link down below to the Garage Flips store, and they should be there, and I'm making them available for shipping. Of course, the United States. I'm going to make them available to all of Europe, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. Where else? I think that's about it. I think that's going to be it for now anyways. If there are some special requests for certain countries, I'll try and fulfill those requests. I just got to figure out what the shipping is going to cost. It's going to be a little different this time. It's going to be $15 plus shipping on top, somewhat because of this logo on the mug, but also because the international shipping, just the logistics of making like a price with free shipping is a little harder when I'm offering international shipping. So I'm just going to do like $15 plus. Domestic shipping last time was $5.15 on average for these mugs. So I'll probably just put the shipping at like $5.15 this time. So it'll be $15 plus $5.15 on top, and plus $5.15 shipping on top. So check out the link, go look at the mug. Oh, the mugs, I'm going to be fulfilling orders starting on Tuesday. So it might be Tuesday, Wednesday, or might even bleed over into Thursday for me to actually get all these out as the orders come in, depending on how many orders come in. But I will get the bulk of the orders out on Tuesday, Wednesday. So if you order today is Wednesday, your mug will ship on Tuesday. So just a heads up, I'm going to devote like all of Tuesday to fulfilling orders. So thanks so much for the support so far, and if you want a mug, come get one. Here they are. I really appreciate it, guys, and I'm excited about these. These are pretty cool. It is time to pull some orders. So first thing up is this Fluke clamp meter, which I just listed yesterday. It sold pretty quickly, which Fluke typically does for me. Whenever you price it reasonably, it'll sell very quickly. That's one of the reasons I didn't mind paying up a bit for this. I paid $30 for this and sold it for $69.99 plus shipping on top. It's going out in a padded flat rate envelope. It'll go in a box first, then in a padded flat rate envelope. They sold a GBA, a Gameboy GBA SP. This one right here. And it comes with the Game Boy and the charger only, no games or anything. This Game Boy was in excellent condition. I got $49.99 shipped. I think it was $49.99 free ship. Pretty sure. Well, let me double check. Yep, $49.99, no shipping on top. So that is the one that I bought in Tennessee. Paid the guy 20 bucks for that Game Boy and 5 games. And I've shipped 1 game already. You'll see me pull a couple more of the games today. All right, I sold another little game console. This little Indigo Game Boy SP. No, wait, I'm sorry. Game Boy Advance. That's the part I'm leaving out. This is a GBA without the SP. So it'll play the same kind of games this will, just in a different form factor. I think that's what it is anyways. But I think they're functionally the same. But anyway, I paid $7 for this, and I got $29.99 plus shipping on top. I am including this copy of Tetris with it too. This is actually going out to Heather in Houston, a viewer. So thank you, Heather. I hope you like it. I think Heather also bought a game on the other account too, that we'll get to here in just a second. Okay, also in Tennessee, I bought this copy of Windows 7 Professional. It's got 32 and 64-bit versions in there, and I think I paid $2 for this at a yard sale inside this warehouse, and I got $34.99 plus shipping on top for it. So excellent flip there. Okay, this is the last item on the main account. These are some episode 1 Star Wars collectible cards. Got $7.99 plus shipping on top for these. I did take an offer. All right, do y'all remember the Laserdisc that I just listed yesterday? Well, I sold some, and I also got comments and even messages about storing them like this. So saying that they might warp if they're, you know, laid on their side. So I'm definitely going to rearrange these today, and I will store them I will store them up and down instead of store them vertically instead of horizontally, is what I should say. Oh, but yeah, I sold something. Let me go ahead and grab them, and then I'll come back. We'll talk about it. Okie doke. So after looking at the comps on these Star Wars Laserdiscs yesterday, or last night, no, it was yesterday, I determined that the smartest way is to bundle them, and that's what I did. These are actually in really nice condition, as you can see. I got $39.99 plus shipping on top for that bundle of 3, the original trilogy of Star Wars movies. So that was a really good flip. And then I got $24.99 for Lensman right here. So this is definitely some of the more valuable stuff that was in that box, but that $10 box has already yielded what, $25.65 in sales, so that was really strong. Okay, I sold 3 Super Mario games. It's gonna be these 3 right here, actually. 1, 2, 3. So that didn't take long. Mario always sells well, right? So let's see, let's go through these real quick. Super Mario Land 2, 6 golden coins for Game Boy. This sold for $14.99 free ship. This one is actually going out to Heather in Houston. So Heather, this is gonna go right here. That was $14.99 free ship. Thank you again, Heather. I hope you liked the game. I did actually play that game on that system for a few minutes, so I know it works for sure. Hope you like it. The other ones are, let's see, Super Mario World. This one, Super Mario Advance 2. This sold for $13.99 free ship. And then Super Mario Advance for GBA. This sold for $11.99 free ship. All right, one more thing to pull. It's on the second account. Oh, it's way down here. Air Sea Battle. Do I still have it? Oh, it's right here in my hand. I do have it. So this Atari 2600 game is going out to a viewer named Trent. Trent, thanks for the support. Thanks for the business. I appreciate it. I hope you like your game. $2.99 plus shipping on top for that little bad boy. So yeah, here's the stuff going out. Decent day, not terrible, and it's not going to be a ton of work to pack all this stuff. All this is like super easy packs. So are these, because I'm going to use, I might do something else with the Star Wars trilogy set, but for like the Lensman, I'll just use this, these vinyl mailers. But yeah, for the Star Wars, I'll probably go a different route. But yeah, that's going to be it for today, guys. I will see y'all again tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.